Hello and welcome to Get Great Clients with myself, Susan Wallace. I want to help you to be the best, have the best, and give the best to your clients so that you can become a great therapist and a successful one. In lesson number 1, Wealth Generating Workshop, I'm going to show you how to easily create a highly engaging workshop without feeling stressed or anxious. I'm going to show you what to say and do for all 30 individual minutes. Plus, I'm going to give you a template so you can easily replicate it and create many more wealth generating workshops. So what is a wealth generating workshop? Well, it is a free workshop that you give away in order to gain 3 things. Number 1, to gain exposure so that you are put face to face with the people that you want to serve. Number 2, so that you can build authority. And 3, so you can showcase your expertise. At the end of the workshop, you will make an irresistible offer. Instead of using a hard sell tactic which would probably leave you feeling uncomfortable, or that would put your audience on guard, instead what you're going to do is offer the next step. You know, people don't want to be sold to. They want to know what is the next step. Now, I will explain more about that in lesson 3, where you will learn how to make an irresistible offer. So, how does your workshop generate wealth for you? Well, first of all, it puts you directly in front of your target audience. It demonstrates your expertise, and it is what is called a risk reversal workshop. There is absolutely no risk to your audience. They don't have to spend money on something that may or may not be right for them. And as a result of that, it motivates them towards action. It motivates them towards the next step rather than a hard sell. And because you will deliver great value to your audience, they will be inspired to take the next step with you. And on this lesson, you are learning a specific formula. And by using this formula, you will be able to turn this free workshop into a free webinar. Now, what this means is that you will be able to put your expertise into a workshop that is evergreen, so that once you do the initial setting up work, your webinar will start working for you. So imagine how good it will feel to be at a networking event, a conference or a meeting where you are meeting lots of people that represent the kind of clients that you want to attract. And instead of doing what everyone else does, that is pushing your services on them, instead you will be able to offer them a high value free gift. A gift that showcases your authority and your expertise in that particular niche. Well, guess what? You won't have to imagine for much longer, because soon you will have that high value free gift. You'll have that webinar all ready to roll. So what I'm saying to you here is this. It is your generosity and your expertise that will become the essential tools that attract hundreds of new clients towards you and away from your competitors. And once your webinar is up and running, you don't have to do a thing. Simply send the link to your potential clients and the webinar will do the work of getting them ready to take their next step on their journey with you. But the Wealth Generating Workshop and the Wealth Generating Webinar are only the first step. Once you have mastered those 2, the next step is to turn your value into a paid-for workshop and then turn it into a paid-for online and offline course, which I call your signature course. At that level, you're going to begin to develop a level of expertise in that niche. So the next thing you could do is create an accredited course for your peers. After that, you could write the book. Then you could run the seminar, and then after that, you can enroll just a few clients, your very best clients, into the VIP Mastermind. Now, these are the 7 steps to complete success in terms of running a highly successful coaching, therapy, or healing practice. And Get Great Clients is the first step on this 7-step journey. And what you see on the screen there, this is very possible and doable for you, provided you learn how to create that free workshop and that webinar and put your value into a premium package that you can deliver to your clients, because that's how you're going to start developing your specific expertise. Now, what you see on the screen here requires a level of automation that I teach on a different course. And there's something I want you to become aware of straight away. Automation is the key to long-term success. Let's look at the course that you're enrolled on here today, the Get Great Clients course. Now, because I have automated this course, I can now turn my attention to you. And I can make sure that you get the best from this course. This means that instead of myself being stuck behind a computer, I will be available to offer you additional coaching by phone or by Skype, and make sure that you don't get stuck on a technical issue, or you don't get stuck trying to decide on what niche to go for. By automating my value, I'm more available to my clients, my students, and my graduates. Instead of offering less, I can offer more. And ultimately, that's what I want for you too. So the reason why I'm telling you all this is because I want you to get super excited and super energized about the amazing career path that you are embarking upon by taking this course. Get Great Clients is the start of you learning how to get the financial security and the peace of mind you deserve into your coaching, therapy, or healing practice. So, what are you in for? Well, by the end of this course, you will be able to do the following. You will be able to showcase your expertise in a workshop and webinar. You will be able to make an irresistible offer with a discovery session. You'll be able to back up that offer with a premium package that gives more value to your clients but means less work for you. You'll be able to deliver a premium service, assuming you have enrolled on a course with me. You will have the security of a perpetual referral system. And you will have a fantastic next step formula to continually deliver value to the people who matter most, your clients. Plus, you'll have a system that you can replicate for as many specialist services as you want to offer. But let me just qualify. If you are enrolled in one of my live training courses, such as the Ultimate Results Diploma in Strategic Hypnotherapy, the Sports Mind Coaching Diploma course, or Hypno Healing, for example, I can guarantee that you will learn how to deliver a premium service so that each client has their own tangible breakthrough experience. Because you are working at this level, and because you are because you are offering premium packages to specific niches, you will develop a level of expertise that will set you apart as an expert. Now, if you have trained with some other school, I'm limited in my ability to help you to put together a premium package or to deliver a breakthrough result. Because if you don't know the breakthrough formula, because you received your training somewhere else, I might not be able to help you to craft that premium package as well as I would like to. But that said, I will do my absolute best to help you. Okay, so let's recap. It is the expertise that you learn on this course that will help you shape your future so that you can become one of the top 5% of professional coaches, therapists and healers who reach the top, the absolute pinnacle of success. So that you can complete the 7 steps if that's something that you want out of your career as a professional coach, therapist or healer. All right, let's take a deep breath and remember something very important. The longest journey starts with a single step. And here's step 1. The purpose of creating a free workshop is to make sure that you can get your first 10 clients enrolled into a coaching, therapy or healing package with you. So today, you're going to create one great workshop that you can easily deliver in multiple locations to a specific audience and inspire them to enroll in a specific premium package by offering them the next step, which is a free discovery consultation or a clarity call. But before you put pen to paper and start creating your first workshop, you need to go to lesson 7 and listen to the powerful client insight meditation and download the worksheet called Empathy Map. By going through the process in the Empathy Map, you will discover your target audience, the emotional driver, the 3 major symptoms, the 3 massive benefits, and you will begin to discover that by picking one ideal client that you will speak to through all of your marketing materials, including your workshop and your webinar, you will be able to extend your reach. So, when you are finished lesson number 7, come back and listen to the rest of the modules in this lesson, which is lesson number 1, Wealth Generating Workshop. I'm delighted to have you on board, and I'm here to help you be the best, have the best, and give your best to your clients. It's Susan Wallace saying goodbye for now.